Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic quick tip with my man Kumo D and the Wild Wild West.
All right. So adjusting a non-threaded headset. How do you know your headset needs to be adjusted? Couple of ways. A, if it's too loose, you can spin these spacers and spin that top cap. You will also probably hear and feel all the looseness in the headset on the trail. Now, I've exaggerated this, admittedly, but for demonstration purposes, you kind of understand what's going on here. We need to tighten that up. Your first step in tightening the headset is loosening the pinch bolts of your stem. If you don't do this, nothing will happen when you adjust the top cap. Top cap is what keeps the pressure on the bearings and keeps everything nice and tight. So using my 4mm here, a little bit of a feel. I'm going to tighten this guy up. Now what I want to do is tighten it so that all that play that I just showed you is removed. However, not so tight that you can't really turn the handlebar or manipulate the front very well. So I'm putting pressure on this top cap with the loose pinch bolts, and I'm first starting off here. That feels pretty good. They're not moving around. And then holding the front brake, kind of go back and forth with the bike. All that play in the headset is now gone. And it feels pretty good back and forth this way as well. So now that I feel comfortable with the tightness of the headset, I'm going to make sure that my handlebar is on straight, which a lot of times it isn't. And I'm going to retighten. Very important step. Please always remember to retighten your stem bolts. These are those aluminum 4mm, so this one is being tightened with a torque wrench up to 5.2 Newton meters. Try not to strip it. So pinch bolts are tight, headset is tight. I'm going to give it one more little test back and forth to make sure that everything is up to my standards. And it is. I can now go ride this sweet Marlin 4.